Hello, this is Dr. Wen Te Yun. Today, we will discuss common situations where a Medicare beneficiary may need to review or change their current Medicare plan. Some people may qualify for a special enrollment period. Others may simply be unhappy with their current coverage. This video is to help you understand common Medicare change situations. This video is also designed to help you comfortably complete your preliminary intake form and scope of appointment (SOA) at your own pace with less pressure and fewer phone calls before speaking with a licensed Medicare agent. People change Medicare plans for many reasons. Some people move to another zip code. Some people cannot find their doctors in network. Others may have new medications. Some people are unhappy with their current costs. Others may want better dental benefits. Some people may qualify for a special enrollment period. Others may simply want to review their current coverage. Every Medicare situation is different. A proper overview may help you understand more of these. Next, some Medicare situations may be more complex. Some people have both Medicare and Medicaid, so-called dual eligible. Others may receive extra help or low-income subsidy assistance, so-called LIS. Some people live in a nursing facility or long-term care setting. Others may have lost employer or retiree coverage. Some people may need access to specialists or specific hospitals. Others may have experienced relocation due to emergency or disaster situations. Certain situations may qualify for a special enrollment period or SEP. Each situation is unique. A sequential workflow on your own pace may help you review or change your plan in a secure, simple, and fast way. Here is how we help you. First, you scan the QR code in lower left corner and you will be redirected to a secure Plan Enroll platform. Please choose Medicare and click the blue Get Synced button to reach the intake form page. Second, please look back at the slide. Using your intake form information, we may review your doctors, clinics, hospitals. Third, review your prescription medications. Fourth, stay on the Plan Enroll page and choose coverage type to complete the scope of appointment process. This may contain Medicare Advantage, prescription drug plans, or Medicare supplemental plans. Please complete the SOA permission form online with a properly licensed agent before beginning plan discussions. This is part of standard Medicare compliance procedures. Fifth, compare available plan options. If nothing better than existing coverage, keep original one. If another plan appears more suitable, review the differences and decide which option you prefer. Sixth, we explain important differences in costs, provider networks, and drug coverage. Seventh, complete the Plan Enroll workflows with the assistance of a licensed agent. We try to simplify the Medicare enrollment experience. First, you complete the secure Medicare review form. Second, you may then complete the required scope of appointment form, also called an SOA. Third, after the SOA is submitted, you may continue directly to an approved enrollment platform. Fourth, this may include reviews on integrity, Plan Enroll, or a Medicare carrier enrollment platform. Whether to change or not will become much clearer. Some beneficiaries may choose to complete enrollment electronically during the same session. Your information may be reviewed the next day for accuracy and Medicare compliance. This helps reduce unnecessary delays and simplifies the enrollment process. Let us demo the workflow in the next slides. After scanning the QR code, you will enter a simple step-by-step Medicare review process. Step 1. Complete the Medicare review form with your basic information. Step 2. Provide a few additional details to help personalize your review. Step 3. Review and electronically sign the required scope of appointment, also called the SOA. Step 4. You will then be directed to the enrollment platform, where you may compare plans, review doctors and medications, and explore available options. Step 5. Finally, review your selections carefully before submission. This entire process is completed in one continuous session, simple, secure, and compliant. As a reminder, please enter physician names, prescription medications, and pharmacy information as accurately as possible. After scanning the QR code or clicking the secure link, you will arrive at this official Plan Enroll page. If you are reviewing Medicare coverage, please look to the upper right corner and click the blue Get Synced button. After clicking Get Synced, you will be guided to complete the required secure forms, including your Medicare review information and scope of appointment. Please follow the steps carefully, one screen at a time. After clicking Get Synced, you will begin the secure intake form process. On this screen, please confirm a few basic details, such as your name, email address, phone number, and home address. You may also be asked for your zip code, county, city, and state. Please complete the required fields carefully so the Medicare review can continue properly. Once the information is entered, click Continue to move to the next step. This secure form helps organize your Medicare review information before plan comparison begins. After completing the intake information, the next step is the scope of appointment, also called the SOA. Inside the system, you will select the coverage type you would like to discuss. This may include Medicare Advantage plans, prescription drug plans, or Medicare supplement plans. You will then review and submit the required electronic SOA form. This slide is only a sample demonstration to help you understand the process. The SOA does not enroll you into a Medicare plan. It simply allows a licensed Medicare agent to begin a compliant discussion and review your available options with you. After checking the agreement box and signing electronically, the review process can continue. There is no obligation and no pressure. After the SOA is completed, we may now begin the Medicare plan review discussion. At this stage, you can explore different plan options inside the Plan Enroll system. You may enter your location, review your preferred pharmacy, search for your doctors, and check your prescription medications. For example, if your current pharmacy is no longer convenient or your doctor is not included in the network, this is where you can compare other options. The red highlighted sections above allow you to review different coverage categories, such as Medicare Advantage plans, prescription drug plans, or special needs plans. You may search and compare plans yourself, including doctors, drug coverage, pharmacies, and estimated costs. At this point, you are not enrolling yet. This is simply the review and comparison stage, so you can explore what may fit your needs better. After you narrow down your preferred options, the licensed Medicare agent may help review the details with you and compare them against your current plan. If a change appears beneficial, the agent may then assist you with the enrollment process. Eventually, congratulations, you may find a plan that appears to fit your needs well. For example, this AARP Medicare Advantage plan from United Healthcare Nevada. You may review the monthly premium, the deductible, the out-of-pocket maximum, and estimated prescription costs. You can also confirm that your preferred pharmacy, your doctors, and your medications are all acceptable to you. After reviewing the plan details and comparing other available plans, you may decide this is the option you prefer. At that point, you may proceed to the enroll step inside the workflow system. However, this still does not finalize enrollment immediately. A licensed Medicare agent should review the information with you again to help confirm that the selected plan truly matches your medical and financial needs. Some individuals prefer to complete most of the workflow themselves and then have the agent assist with the final submission or enrollment. Others may complete only the basic intake form and SOA and allow the licensed agent to perform the plan comparisons for them. Both approaches are perfectly acceptable, and the goal is simply to help you review Medicare options carefully before making a final decision. This season, many people are reviewing whether their Medicare plan still fits their needs. Maybe your doctor changed. Maybe your pharmacy is not convenient. Maybe your medication cost is higher than before. Or maybe you simply want to know whether there is a better option. If you would like to review your Medicare plan choices, please scan the QR code. It is simple, secure, and there is no obligation. Nevada residents are welcome. And if you are in another state, we may help connect you with an appropriate licensed professional. Please scan the QR code to begin your Medicare plan review. Thank you.